So I gave some details for 10 minutes and I see that these scammers have, what do you call it, erased it. Someone took it. So, uh, 10 minutes back, I came inside this room. I had a tea outside. Before that, I took a shower. I took a shower right now. I should have taken it yesterday. After every outdoor, I do take the shower. And again, this was some shit I gave this. So, um, huh. So yesterday, what do you call it? Uh, the GPS spoof was happening around my house, everywhere. So, look, I kind of like it about this network and all, but don't come after me. Two-time loser like me. My face is broken and my work is also compromised. I'm trying my best to settle things down everywhere. Okay? So, and don't risk your life this way. Hmm? Don't risk your life on moped. So that's a network, that headphone and all. I gave these details, but I don't want to re-say, what do you call it, repeat this stuff. So only thing I want, I like that. Okay, I like it. Okay, the GPS go and market and everything, whatever was happening, I liked it. Beautiful, very beautiful. But don't risk your life. Use the roadways. And why you are framing your own self? You're making a person stand at a single place for 20 minutes just to do the GPS spoof. Why do you do that? Before the perpetual resort. You don't have to do this, right? So it was fun. Huh? I said this before everything. I have to re-say it. I don't have to re-say it now. I won't do it. But I had fun. Don't risk your life. I don't want any harm to anyone. The GPS spoof are doing from mopeds and bikes. Okay? It's a good thing. A good network. I salute your network. But I don't want you to risk my life, risk your life for a loser like me. Okay? I don't want you to do it. Use the roadways. I'll walk next time. Okay? I ain't worth it. So, stay safe. I don't look anything. I have said this before, and the scammers have taken over it. So, if any person gets injured or hit by something, I take wrong turns and wrong ways. How depressed your parents will be. After getting this news, how the parents will feel about this. I don't want any child's what do you call it, get into this disaster, any kind of accident, and to get cursed by their parents. I'm already cursed. Okay, that's enough. I don't want more curses. As a human to another human, if you have even 1% for me, please don't do the GPS move. On bike, roadways you do whatever. I'll walk next time. I'll take a long walk. Okay? Where yesterday I am talking about, not today, yesterday when I went to my town, Chembur. Okay? So, love yourself, love your life, and keep hating me, it's okay. But don't get into those moped thing. Okay? And I kind of like it. Thank you. Good. It feels cool. Okay? I take wrong turns and twists, don't follow me. Help yourself. And what I wanted to say, I gave this before, but now I'm forgetting stuff. Someone has been deleting my stuff. Why they are doing this, I still don't get it. Some jealous fucking bum, man. So, yesterday, non-stop I have to be in front of the surveillance because if I disappear from the public surveillance, they want to accuse me, not make false stories that I was with them, I was having fun with them, whatever, tea, coffee, whatever. So I don't want this shit. Okay, so I have to be non-stop in the front of surveillance and rotating, not stopping at one place. You know the reason why I'm not stopping. Wrong turns, wrong twist. How was I? Huh? Now you want me to look. Tell me directly what you want. What do you want? Tell me directly. I'll somehow I'll try. हाँ अभी जितनी हैसियत है वो मैं कर सकता है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकता मैं. But don't risk your life. Love your family, love yourself. I know you people hate me a lot. That's why you're doing the GPS work. But I don't know why you hate me. But don't do this bikes, and next time I'll walk for you people now. Do करो क्या करने का GPS. No? When I come there, I'll take a long walk. Bas? So you can frame me. But don't do that bike thing, that headphone and all that. That's a risky stuff. मेरे को आदत है बाइक से गाड़ी से गिरने का. हाँ? I don't want this to you. Okay? So, take care of yourself. And I kind of like it. And that's why I'm gonna take a walk next time. Bas? Just for GPS spoofers, what do you call it? A salute to them. Bas?